How to change your Snapchat Bitmoji. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Bitmoji on Snapchat. So to do that, first of all, open your Snapchat app. After that, on the top left corner of the screen, you can see your Bitmoji, so simply tap on it. Now it will show you your profile, so you'll have to tap on the little gear icon on the top right corner of your screen and then go to settings. Now right over there you'll see an option named Bitmoji, so simply tap on it and then choose the second option, namely edit my Bitmoji. Now it will take you to this page where you can edit your Bitmoji to whatever you want, so you can change your hairstyle, your facial hair, your piercing, and then you can change your glasses, your eye color, eye shape, your eyebrows, nose, mouth, jaw, ear, and all sort of things such as these body types as well, and cheek line, forehead lines, eye lines. And now you'll be successfully able to change your Bitmoji from here. And now you can go through all of the options provided over here. So that is basically how you change or edit your Bitmoji. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.